Namaste. Good morning to all. Today we are going to explain about the chapter Navegan Dharaniya Adhyaya, which is seventh chapter of Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. This chapter Navegan Dharaniya Adhyaya has so much similarities with the Rogan Padaniya Adhyaya, the fourth chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana, because both these chapters are sharing same concept, that is about Vega, Dharaniya Vega and Adharaniya Vega. But apart from these Vegas, there we can see extra some portion which is told by Acharya Charaka. That is Vyayama is explained in this chapter by Acharya Charaka, but in Ashtanga Hridaya, the explanation of Vyayama can be seen in Ashtanga Hridaya second chapter. Second chapter Dinacharya. But here we can see the explanation of Vyayama. And in this chapter also, we can see the explanation of Satmikarana process, that is Padamsika Krama. Padamsika Krama in Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana, Padamsika Krama is explained in Anna Rakshaniya Adhyaya in 7th chapter. But here, Na Vegandaraniya Adhyaya explain about Padamsika Krama. Then the end portion of the chapter Na Vegandaraniya Adhyaya, we can see explanation about Aganduja Vyadi. Aganduja Vyadi is explained by Acharya Ashtanga Hridayakara, that is Vagbhada, in Yoga Nutpadani Adhyaya itself. So, what are the core content and important content? That is, I already explained. The Vegatta chapter and Vegandaraniya Adhyaya contain. These are the main content. It is important point of these chapters are Adharaniya Vega. Adharaniya Vega, number of Adharaniya Vega, we are all familiar with Adharaniya Vega's number. That is 13 Adharaniya Vegas are told by Acharya Charaka and both Acharya Vagbhada. But Acharya Susruta explained about these Vegas in this chapter Udavarta Pradisheda. Udavarta Pradisheda Adhyaya, that is the 55th chapter of Uttarasthana, Udavarta Pradisheda Adhyaya, where 13 Vegas are mentioned. There are some difference of treatment that we can see on the Vega Dharana. Treatment aspects, there we can see some difference of opinion by Acharya Susruta, that we will discuss later. Okay. So Dharaniya Vegas are there, Adharaniya Vegas are there, Vyayama, the explanation of Vyayama is almost similar to Acharya Vagbhada Acharya. Then Padamsika Krama is also similar to the Sammikarana process is also similar to Acharya Vagbhada. Then explanation about the Aganduja Yoga and its management. These are the topic, main core content of the chapter Na Vegandaraniya Adhyaya. But the sloga is something different. So there is difficult for you to grasp both the sloga, because both the slogas are, the content of the slogas are almost similar. So if you are thorough in one sloga, that is, if you are thorough in Ashtanga Hridaya, then what is the difference of opinion said by Acharya Charaka, that only you have to study. Rest of the thing is similar. Okay. So we can go for Adharaniya Vega, that is non-suppressive urges by Acharya Vagbhada, Acharya Charaka. न वेगान धारयेद धीमान जादान मूत्र पुरीशयोः न रेतसो न वातस्य न झष्ट्या शपदूर्न च न उद्गारस्य न जृम्भाया न वेगान क्षुत्पिपासयोः न बाष्पस्य न निद्राया निश्वासस्य श्रमेण च. If we are looking to the sloka, we can identify that Vegana Dharayed Vada Vinmutra Nitra Kshavat Kshudam Nidragasa Samashwasa. In that sloka by Acharya Vagbhada, we can see Kasa is included under Adharaniya Veda. But here, Kasa is not explained. Instead of that, Vada is divided into Adovada and Udgara. But there in Ashtanga Hridaya, Vegana Daredu Vada, only Vada is explained, but in the explanation of Vegas, Vada is divided into Urthavada and Udgaravada, and both of the symptoms are explained by Acharya Vagbhata. But here only we can see Kasa is not explained, but Vada is divided into Urthavada and Adovada, that is Udgara and Vada by Acharya Charaka. So now Vega cannot be suppressed or should not be suppressed by Dhiman. That is an intelligent person. For an intelligent person, because who is having Dhi, is not supposed to be suppressed Vegan. What are the Vegas? Mutra Purishayoho, Redas, that is Shukra Vega, Vadam, that is Adovada, Shardi, you all are know Shardi, vomiting, Shabadu, sneezing, Udgaram, that is bulging, eructation, Urthavadam, Jrimba, yawning, and Kshut, hunger, Pipasa, thirst, that is Trishna, Na Bashpasya, Bashpa Vegaroda, that is Bashpa means Asru by Acharya Vagbhata, Na Nidraya, Nidra, Nishwasasya Sramenaja, that is exertional dyspnea, Samashwasam, panting, in layman's vocabulary, panting, we can say. So these are the Vegas that should not be suppressed by a demon, by a intelligent person. Next, about separately we are going to discuss about each of the Vegas and what are the extra content that is told by Charaka apart from Acharya Vagbhata. So while explaining about the Mutra Vega Roda, Basti Meghaneyoho Shulam Mutra Krutram Shiruja Vinamo Vankshana Anaha Syadi Lingam Mutra Nigrahe Sweda Avagahana Abhyangan Sarpischa Avavitaka Mutra Pratikade Kuryad Trividam Basti Karmam. You can see I highlight Kuryad Trividam Basti Karmaja in blue line or blue mark. While this is because it is not said by Acharya Vagbhata. That's why I figure it as highlight it as in blue line. Vasti Meghaneyo Shulam. Pain, Vasti and Meghana, bladder and phallus. Mutra Krutram, dysuria, Shirorujam, headache. Vinamam means bending of the body parts. Body parts become bending of the body parts. And Vankshana Anagam. Anaha means abdominal distension of Vankshana region. Then, what are the treatment modality told for Mutra Vega Roda? Which is also almost similar to Ashtanga Kriya. Avabhidaka Sarpivana is the most important MCQ that can be asked for the question. Avabhidaka Sarpivana is told to both Charaka and Vagbhata in Mutra Vega Roda. Swedanam, sedation, Avagahanam, sitz bath, Abhyangam, oil massage, Avabhidaka Sarpivanam. In Avabhidaka Sarpivanam, Sarpi is given in 2 times. That is before food and after food. After food, the Sarpi has to be given in Uttama Matra quantity. That is why it is called Avabhidaka Sarpivana. And Sarpi which is having a Pidana effect in between both meals. That's why it's called Avabhidaka Sarpivana. And the next treatment is Trivida Basti Karmam. Trivida Basti Karmam means Niruha Basti, Anuvasana Basti, and Uttara Basti. These are the 3 Basti Karma that can be applied, administered for Mutra Pratikadam when we are suppressing Mutra. Next is about Pakwashaya Gada. Sorry, next is about Purisha Vegaroda. Next is about Pakwashaya. Next is about Purisha Vegaroda. In Purisha Vegaroda, Pakwashaya, Sirashulam, Madaparso Pravartanam, Pindiko Udveshtanam. Pindiko Udveshtana is the main thing which can be asked for MCQ examination. Pindiko Udveshtana means pain in or cramps cramps in calf muscles. Atmanam Purishe Syadi Vidarite. Purisha Vidarita, Purishra is in suppressed form, will result in Pakwashaya Shirashulam. Pakwashaya pain. Shirashulam. Headache. So in Mutra Vegaroda is also pain. Shirashula is there. Pakwa, then Purisha Vegaroda is also Shirashula is there. Vada Varcho Apravartanam. Movement of Vadam and Varchas becomes stopped. Okay. And Pindika Udvetanam, calf muscles pain. Then Atmanam, abdominal distension. What are the treatment process? Sweda Abhyanga Avagagamsha Vartayo Vastigarmancha. Swedam, Abhyangam, Avagagam. Same like that of Mutra Vegayoga. Varti, herbal suppository, which is told by Acharya Bhagavata also. Vastikarmam, here only Vastikarma is told. Trivida Vastikarma is told for Mutra Vegayoga, and Vastikarma is told for only Purisha Vegayoga. But in Sushruta Samhita, Anaha Chikilsa is indicated for Purisha Vegayoga. Anaha Chikilsa. That is kept in mind. That should be kept in mind for competitive examination purpose. Hidam Pradihade. If you are suppressing in Purisha Vegaroda, Varchasya Annavanam Pramadicha. Annavanam Pramadicha. Anna and Pana, which is Pramadi in nature. Pramadi means laxative in nature. The same Annapananja Vidbhedi Vidroda Uttreshu Reshmasu. Ashtanga Hridaya. Vidbhedi Ahara. Vidbhedi. That is told by Acharya Bhagavata. Vidbhedi Ahara. But here Charaka Samhita, Annapanam, Pramadi Annapana is told as Ado Vegarodha treatment. Sorry, Purisha Vegarodha treatment. Next is about Redas Shukra Vegarodha treatment. Metre Vrishnayo Shulam. Here is also pain occurring in Metra and Vrishna region. Metra region and Vrishna region. That is penis region and testicle region. Angamardam, body ache, generalized body ache. Hridivyata, that is important. Hridivyata. Hridrogam, it is not explained as Hridrogam. It is termed as Hridivyata. So the term Hridivyata can be asked for MCQ question. As MCQ question. So the answer is Redas or Shukra. Hridivyata. The same is told by Acharya Bhagavata. Bhaved Pratikade Shukre. Pratikade Shukre. Shukra is suppressed. Vibaddham Mutramevacha. Mutra is not moving. That is retention of Mutra. Retention of urine. Retention of urination. So what are the treatment modalities indicated for Mutra Vegarodha? Tatra, sorry, Shukra Vegarodha. Tatra Abhyanga Vagaham. Abhyanga and Avagaham. Vagaham. Sitswag. Abhyangam. Oil massage. Then Madira and Charanahita. In Charaka Samhita, what are told as the treatment protocol? Madira. Instead of Madira, Sura is explained. Madira and Sura. Both are almost similar. Madira means alcoholic preparation. Charanayuda means Tamra Chuda. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Tamra Chuda is explained. That is chicken. Take chicken and beer. Here, Charanayuda is the synonym of Tamra Chuda. That is chicken, hen. Then Shali is told. Shali. Rice, paya. Where it is mentioned as Vasti Shuddhikara payas. Yeah. But here it is only explained as payas. Milk, Niruham, Niruha Vasti, Shastam Maidunam Evacha, Maidunam, that is Grami Dharmam, that is sex. Sex is also prescribed as the treatment modality for the suppression of ejaculation reflex, that is Shukra or Reda Vega Rodha treatment. Next is about Adovada Vegarodha. Adovada Vegarodha. Sango Vinmutra Vadanam Atmanam Vedanam Klamaha. Vinmutra Vadanam Sangam. Sangam of the obstruction seen with Mutram Vada. Then Atmanam, abdominal distension. Vedana Klamaha, pain. Klama, fatigue. Jadare Vadajascha Anye Rogaha. Look here. Here, the abdominal diseases are told. Vadachavala is the abdominal diseases due to Vada. There are Vadacha Vigara, Vadacha Anni Rogaha, Vadacha Roga, Vadacha Vigara due to Vigara due to Vadacha in Jadara region, abdominal region. Survada Nigraha, Tadovada Nigraha. Here, Gulma is not told, Kritigada is not told, but in Adovada Sirodhina, Gulma Udavarta Duklama, in Ashtanga Kritaya, where it is Krigadam and Gulma is told. But instead of Gulma, here it is explained as Vinmutravada Sangam. Then Vadaja Roga in Jadara region, which is also a specific symptom. Treatment is, if it is Vadaja, then what may be the treatment? Snehanam and Swedanam. So Sneha Sweda Vidhi, Sneha Sweda Vidhi. Tatra Vartayo Pudinanicha, Parti, herbal, suppository. That is also told in Ashtanga Hridaya. The same Varti is told in Ashtanga Hridaya also. Pojananicha Panani, Pojana and Pana, Basti, Enema, Shastam Vadanalomanam. That all are should be Vadanalomana in nature. All are that Basti, Pojana, food, Panam, drinks, the food, drinks, and the enema, therapeutical enema, all are should be Anilomana in nature. Anilomanam. These are the treatment modalities told for Adovada Roga.